Just stay safe, guys. Study. Take advantage, because I know you guys have a lot of opportunities for college and secondary education. Make sure you do that stuff, and listen to your NCOs.
To all my brothers and sisters out there serving all around the world in situations that are both dangerous and, as I have heard from some friends, maybe very boring or tedious, I want to just say thank you. You know, we're thinking about you. We appreciate your service, your dedication, your bravery, and your commitment. And it doesn't go unnoticed to us. And we love you guys. Be safe out there, and we will see you very soon. It would be fun to get the Joker out there to come entertain the troops and hang out with you guys sometime.
Hey, what's up, troops? Suicide Squad here. Thanks for all you're doing. Hope you get to check out the film, and be safe. Lots of love.
Thank you, troops. Thank you so much for what you do. It means the world to us. Love you.
I, for one, just really want to thank y'all for your services and your sacrifices.
Absolutely.
You're keeping us safe.
And you're the
So
real
thank you.
heroes. Absolutely. Thank you.